30 balcony garden ideas. From bare balcony to green oasis, balcony gardens are a delightful expression for green thumbs living in the sky-high confines of urban dwellings. These charming oases offer a slice of nature where vibrant flowers bloom, herbs leave scents in the breeze, and even fruits and veggies can thrive. Whether it's a lush jungle of hanging plants, a serene zen corner, or a twinkling light-lit evening retreat, balcony garden ideas are as varied as the gardeners who cultivate them. Read on to discover balcony garden ideas to transform your elevated space. 30 creative balcony garden ideas to inspire your next gardening project. 1. Cascading greenery from hanging pots. Turn your balcony into an enclave of emerald splendor, with a variety of hanging pots suspended from above, each overflowing with ivy and strings of pearls. The greenery sways gently with every breeze, creating a living curtain that provides a natural partition from the world outside. 2. Vibrant container garden. This balcony is a patchwork of vibrant colors, where wooden containers and terracotta pots are brimming with an assortment of vegetables, such as tomatoes and peppers. Interspersed throughout are aromatic herbs, basil, cilantro, and thyme, whose fragrances mingle in the air, creating a sensory feast. 3. Zen garden with bonsai and pebbles. Transform your balcony into a Zen sanctuary, with bonsai trees pruned to perfection. These living sculptures, with twisted branches and a winding mossy base, stand amid smooth gray pebbles that meander in deliberate pathways. 4. Colorful perennial borders in planter boxes. From the velvety purples of irises to the sunny yellows of black-eyed Susans, these planter boxes create a dynamic and colorful border that enhances the outdoor space. This balcony boasts a vibrant tapestry of perennials carefully selected for their year-round blooming, offering a continuous display of colors and textures. 5. Fragrant herb wall. In this vertical balcony garden, shelves upon shelves of aromatic herbs grow lush and vibrant. The air is perfumed with the heady scents of basil, the cool freshness of mint, and the soothing fragrance of lavender. This herb wall not only provides a feast for the senses, but also a practical harvest for culinary creations. 6. Butterfly-attracting flower haven. This vibrant balcony garden is ablaze with a specially curated selection of flowers, such as bright marigolds and delicate lavender, which effortlessly attracts butterflies. The space becomes a lively exhibit with the colorful petals serving as stages for the butterflies to alight upon, adding a dynamic and enchanting element to the garden's charm. 7. Exotic tropical oasis. Adorned with birds of paradise and hibiscus blooms in vivid colors, this outdoor balcony boasts a collection of tropical plants that transform the space into a tropical oasis. It also offers a lush, green retreat that evokes the warmth and vibrance of an island paradise amid the cityscape. 8. Succulent mosaic display. A carefully crafted mosaic of succulents covers each side of the balcony space, their fleshy leaves ranging from deep greens to purples, creating a visually striking and low-maintenance display. 9. Water feature centerpiece. In the center of this balcony garden's railing, a small fountain gently bubbles, its soft murmurs providing a soundtrack of tranquility. The water feature, surrounded by a selection of greenery, becomes the focal point of this aerial retreat. 10. Petite alpine edibles garden. Maximize the charm of a small balcony by cultivating a selection of alpine edibles in petite hanging containers. Alpine strawberries, compact root vegetables, and hardy herbs like thyme and chives can thrive in the cooler microclimate. This approach not only adds a touch of mountainous terrain to the urban setting but also offers the delight of plucking fresh, flavorful bites right from the balcony's railing. 11. Ornamental grasses for texture. On the balcony, ornamental grasses sway with elegant grace, their slender blades adding a dynamic texture that changes with the breeze. The varied heights and hues contribute to a layered look that enhances the balcony's visual interest. 12. Fairy garden fantasy. Tucked into a corner of the balcony, a fairy garden enchants with its tiny wonders. Miniature houses nestle among mossy patches and pebble-strewn pathways, inviting onlookers to peer closer and lose themselves in a world of make-believe. 13. Vertical salad wall. This balcony is transformed into a vertical farm, with tiers of salad greens reaching upward, creating a verdant living wall. Varieties of lettuce, arugula, and spinach grow in abundance, their leaves a spectrum of greens and reds. This vertical approach maximizes the limited space, providing a fresh, pick-your-own experience just steps from the kitchen. 14. Rustic wooden crate garden. On the balcony, rustic wooden crates find new life as charming planters, each filled with a variety of joyful blooms and verdant foliage. The weathered texture of the wood adds a touch of shabby chic elegance, contrasting beautifully with the fresh green life it cradles. 15. Balcony pollinator's paradise. With a selection of nectar-rich plants, transform a small balcony into a bustling hub for local pollinators. Arrange a variety of flowering species, such as lavender, salvia, and small sunflowers, in wooden planters to maximize space. This not only adds a splash of color and fragrance, but also invites bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds to visit, creating a lively and eco-friendly garden. 16. Mediterranean citrus grove. This balcony becomes a miniature Mediterranean grove where potted lemon and olive trees sway in the gentle breeze. The trees, with their glossy foliage and fragrant blossoms, infuse the space with the zesty aroma of citrus and the earthy scent of olives, transporting one to a tranquil seaside orchard. 17. Balcony rail planter boxes. Planter boxes affixed to the balcony railing brim with a mix of vibrant flowers and aromatic herbs. This clever use of the railing not only beautifies the area, but also conserves valuable floor space, allowing for a flourishing garden without cluttering the balcony's limited square footage. 18. Japanese maple miniature forest. A collection of potted Japanese maples transforms this balcony into a tranquil miniature forest. The maples, with their delicate, lace-like leaves and rich autumnal colors, provide a warm, serene presence and a slice of forest serenity mid the urban skyline. 19. Cozy reading nook with climbing vines. A secluded corner of the balcony has been fashioned into a cozy reading nook, surrounded by climbing vines that drape over the walls and railings. Cushions and soft throws make the space inviting, while the green tendrils from the pergola overhead provide a natural canopy, creating an idyllic spot for immersing in books and the quietude of nature. 20. Night blooming garden for evening enjoyment. This balcony garden becomes an enchanting nocturnal paradise as night-blooming flowers open their petals under the moon's glow. Species such as evening primrose and night phlox unfold at dusk, releasing their subtle fragrances. 21. Balcony orchard with dwarf fruit trees. The balcony space is maximized with a miniature orchard where dwarf fruit trees thrive in containers. This compact grove offers the joys of fruit harvesting in a condensed form, with branches that extend just enough to be graced with small, sweet fruits. 22. Modern minimalist garden with architectural plants. A study in modern minimalism, this balcony garden features carefully chosen architectural plants, such as aloes and snake plants, which create a striking visual statement. Their sculptural forms sharply contrast the soft contours of the cityscape, and their low-maintenance nature ensures that the garden's aesthetic is effortlessly maintained. 23. Seasonal flower rotation display. Turn your balcony into a living almanac with a rotation of seasonal flowers marking the passage of time. Spring tulips give way to summer daisies, followed by autumn chrysanthemums and winter pansies. This ever-changing floral display provides a vibrant and colorful testament to the cycle of the seasons in a compact urban space. 24. Bird lovers retreat with feeders. Strategically place feeders on your balcony to create a haven for birds. This inviting setup attracts a variety of local bird species, turning the space into a bustling hub of avian activity. 25. Shade garden with hostas and ferns. In the balcony's shelter ambience, a lush garden of shade-loving plants flourishes. Hostas, with their broad leaves and delicate ferns, create a verdant tapestry that thrives away from the harsh glare of direct sunlight. 26. Balcony tea garden with Camellia sinensis. This balcony is transformed into a personal tea garden with the cultivation of Camellia sinensis plants. These tea plants, with their glossy green leaves and delicate white blossoms, promise the unique pleasure of brewing a cup of homegrown tea. 27. Scented Geranium Collection. A collection of scented geraniums brings an olfactory delight to a balcony space. Each variety contributes unique fragrance, from rose to lemon to mint, and the balcony becomes a sensory garden where the air is alive with a symphony of scents. 28. Balcony Privacy Screen with Bamboo. This balcony is secluded from prying eyes by a screen of bamboo. These towering plants serve as a living curtain, rustling softly in the wind and creating a sense of seclusion. The bamboo's dense foliage not only provides privacy, but also introduces an element of zen-like calm, turning the balcony into a private retreat. 29. Cool Climate Alpine Garden. This balcony becomes a miniature desert retreat, surviving the surrounding urban warmth with a selection of succulents. These resilient species mimic the rugged beauty of arid landscapes, offering a lush array of textures. 30. Solar-powered garden lights for nighttime ambience. As dusk falls, this balcony is softly transformed by the glow of solar-powered garden lights. These eco-friendly illuminations cast a gentle radiance over the greenery, highlighting leaves and flowers with a warm, fairy-tale luminescence perfect for enjoying the evening air. Maximize your balcony space with these balcony garden ideas. In crafting your personal balcony garden, you're not just beautifying a space. You're crafting an extension of your home and a testament to nature's adaptability. The ideas we've explored open a world where culinary, aesthetic, and ecological aspirations can flourish side by side, even in the smallest of outdoor spaces. Now let your balcony become your sanctuary, a green embrace in the sky where tranquility and urban life meet.